What is it?
There you go.
That's it. You want a better look. I can tell.
They look nice with their orange.
Together.
Matching orange.
Are we matching the orange?
Let's see, Grandpa. What have we got going on here?
Yeah.
What have we got going on here?
You see the fish?
Yeah.
Let's see that fish. Hey.
I see that fish.
Yeah. Show me that fish.
You say,
Ooh, Grandpa, what do you think it
What
is?
is it?
It's a present from Luke.
Is it a shovel? Pitchfork.
Just what you needed, a pitchfork.
Yeah. Something with that tree stump in the backyard, huh? Oh, Macy's.
Ooh, he likes to shop at Macy's.
Wow.
Lukey.
Your favorite store so far?
So far.
Oh.
See,
What
Grandpa.
have we got? Oh, nice.
Something to go with your blue eyes.
Did you see the card? What the card said?
Yeah.
Thanks for the blue eyes. Love Luke.
Oh, I missed that bottom part.
Oh, there's a
Did you
little
say that on the
message.
blue eyes?
What does it say?
Thanks for the blue eyes. I love you, Luke. Whoa, Luke.
Let's see those blue eyes. Hey, Lukey.
Yeah.
Got blue eyes for Grandpa?